On today's episode of Watch Chair Go, we fix the $800 Mazda 6. What is going on, guys? I am Watch Chair Go, and today we're here with my newest acquisition, this blue, slightly scratched up Mazda 6, and hopefully it will be leaving like today or tomorrow. So I need to get a couple of little leaves out of the cowl, a couple of things like that. But I went to Green Lantern, as you saw in the last video. Take a look at the interior. Ooh-wee! Those are the air fresheners, that's not trash. And it looks brand new inside. The whole car looks new. Look at the back seats. Gotta fix this floor mat here. Get it pushed under where it belongs. Oh man, oh man. But today we're not going to focus on the interior, we are going to focus on fixing the mechanical issues. And I've got a box right there with $34 of coil packs. And you may think, yeah, one. No, all six. $34. Shipped. A lot of leaves left in this thing. I get distracted by, I don't like it when there's leaves in the cowl, you know? So today we're going to dig into this thing. It honestly should not take long at all. We've got a new set of intake gaskets. We've got a hood open in here somewhere. So we're gonna pull the intake off, do the intake gaskets, change the plugs, change the coils. I'll have about $64 total in giving somebody a new, recently tuned up car. Yeah, the battery is definitely wrong and has the wrong terminals and needs a nut put on that terminal because it's just hanging out here like.
But it's brand new. It appears to be brand new.
It does, I do think it's brand new. Yeah. So somebody hacked that in there, it works, whatever. All we gotta do now is start pulling things apart. Also, if you can tell, I'm wearing a brand new shirt that I just opened. Head on over to shop.watchchairgo.com, pick up your own merch. You can get the bike logo. You can't get the gold one anymore, that was a limited time, but you can get a whole bunch of other ones like just the Watch Chair Go logo and all that stuff. Shop.watchchairgo.com.
Afraid to break it.
Coil packs. Oh, yeah. But all the coils are mismatched too. All 8s, not bad. Oh, the whole intake's loose. That was easy. Good call. I've done this before, but it has been a long time. There's no oil down in the spark plug wells, so that's always nice.
Is this direct?
That was a hard no from the impact. Did you bring a ratchet? I think the answer was no.
Why you always gotta make fun of my tools, man?
Who put this spark plug in? What? Let me go get a 1/2-inch ratchet. No wonder the impact said no.
Breaker bar?
This is the tightest spark plug. There we go. Bolton. Here we go.
Must be a huge fan. Have the same name and everything.
Are you related to the Michael Bolton? Man, it's such a good movie.
Why don't you just change your name? Why should I change my name?
What? How does he change his name?
He's the one that sucks, not me.
As long as I don't lose those bolts, I'm okay. Okay, now we're at that bottom coolant.
What were you thinking, Mazda?
Why you gotta do us like this, Ford? Look at that.
Is that normal?
Of course. It's a Ford engine.
I'm trying to be surprised.
Oh, okay. Awesome. We have all of our ignition coils disconnected now, and we just need an 8. I almost went to get that Milwaukee cordless ratchet just before we started this. And then here we are, dealing with something that standard impacts won't fit.
To be honest, I talked him out of it. He wanted to go.
And you were like...
I said, let's not lose our daylight running around town.
We were fine.
That was
tons of daylight.
It's going to be our victory lap. It'll be that much sweeter.
Injector connectors all look good. Fuel rail looks right. I don't see any issues down in there, so that's always good.
Product placement. How big is that?
Yes, it is. There is 2 more, and there's a good chance they're at my house. So, coil packs. 2-year warranty on these bad boys. They should be factory gapped. Velcro intake gaskets. That is definitely not right. These don't seem like they seal well at all. I think it's time to call O'Reilly's. As soon as these squish, they're not gonna seal.
Yeah, they don't protrude like they should. I'd rather use the originals.
Yeah. So we're back from O'Reilly's where we picked up the correct set of intake gaskets instead of the nonsense ones that said that they fit the car on the internet. These ones are gonna go in so much better. And you can actually flip the intake over with them in.
Where did you put all the bolts for the coils?
The bolts for the coils are in the coils, so we will need to remove them. Okay, I think we should be good there. Ready to put the intake on?
I think we are.
I probably shouldn't have removed this one because it clearly did not need to come out. Checklist?
So we'll have to fight our hoses from the back side.
But everything else, I think we're good.
Yeah.
Cool, let's do this.
If you want to make it hover, I'll connect this stuff back up as soon as I find out.
Make it hover? That sounds fancy.
Where'd those pliers go?
There are pliers right here. Where do you want to start?
I think we'll start with the one on the bottom we fought to get it off.
Probably, that's that vacuum line, right?
There's the coolant and the vacuum.
Okay, so that goes right there.
It's just installed itself.
See, that was the whole thing. Once that hose is on, everything fits perfectly. Before we get like buried on here, I just want to give it a wiggle, make sure everything seems right. Ready? Yep. I'm gonna start tightening. Inside out. I'll do a final torque with the book specs here. If you want to do the clamp, I'll do the hose. Make it easy.
Okay. And this one, there's nowhere to put the hose.
Exactly. Okay, and you think they're both good?
Mm-hmm.
Good and good. Those are brass inserts, they don't need any torque. Okay, I went around this thing like 10 times. I kind of trust the torque now.
If you'll tighten up the clamp on the throttle body, I think we're ready for a battery.
Done and done. She is good. Might as well pull that mat and clean it. We're in here. No reason not to, you know?
True that.
Dirty old MAF sensor. And just like that, the engine cover reappeared. Everything was hooked back up. So now we are ready for the first start. And the check engine light will already be clear. So let's, I got some keys right here. Let's fire it up. Oh look, I fixed the interior too. That hinge is broken, but at least now it doesn't hold itself up in the air. So I don't know, the oil change just happened and I'm not sure if it was reset, so let's go ahead and reset that. These are the results I was looking for. Sure, we just did a battery pull, but everything looks great. Well, there were no codes, so I figured we'd take it for a drive, and man, oh man, does this seem to run well. Super well. I think everything's straightened out on it, and this car can go away. So, that was a lot of fun. I love the simple fixes sometimes. We're gonna go take some pictures right now, get this thing listed up for sale. And that is it for today, guys. I thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. The super clean Mazda 6, check that out. That nut that had ripped out of the battery terminal, I decided to fix that. It's a brand new battery terminal. I found the battery hold down, got that mounted back in. It was in the pile of parts that came with this, and that wraps up the front end. Here in the back, I have the brand new hatch struts that were pretty cheap, only like $25 or $30, and so much better. Shout out to Tyler Hoover, he helped me put these on. I needed somebody to hold this thing up. So now I can throw away the old ones, and all the stuff for the spare tires back here too, so I'm gonna clean up the rear end.